exactly. I love this song. The song is very nice.
Okay, since you love it, Oya, help us small. Sing one line from that song.
The beat, just give me the beat so that I can be singing along with him.
I should do the beat. Okay, boom, 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 boom.
Wow. Brother, you sabi sing.
I don't, the beating, once you give me, I can be singing along with it.
Fantastic. Don't worry, I'm going to play that song again. So can you give me the last 4 digits of your number?
Okay, 0599.
Okay, 0599, and this is Baba from Liberty Estate.
Respect, Baba. Respect.
Okay, thank you very much for calling in.
Yeah.
Okay, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
I like his enthusiasm.
Yeah.
So
real.
people have been feeling your song. How does it make you feel?
I feel good. I feel pushed to do more.
To do more, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and the love you've received, it hasn't changed you in any way in the sense that you might now be arrogant. You know, when you get a little bit famous or you hit a little bit of celebrity status, things start changing, people start becoming different. Has it affected you in any way?
No, because it's just me. I'm an ordinary human being, so I see myself just the way I see everybody else out there.
I like that.
Yeah,
And
okay.
last but not least, is there anyone, or rather, who out there in the industry would you love to work with if you were given the chance?
Yeah, I think presently I would love to work with Tenny Makanaki.
Nice
Yeah,
choice.
she's
Yes.
good, so-
Who would you pick quickly, Tenny or Peruzzi?
Tenny.
Nice answer. Okay. Anyways, you guys, we've still got people calling in, but the competition is over. Should we take one more phone call? Okay, let's just take this lucky person's call. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hello, sweetie. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Good afternoon. My name is Sister Mtalet. I'm calling from Aguri.
Okay, my love. So what do you think about that song?
The song is quite good and captivating. I love it. It's on castle.
Brilliant.
Wow.
So say something else to CNC.
Yeah, I love you. You are doing so great. I love you.
Wow,
I love your
you
music.
too, love you too, Derry. Love you too, Derry. I appreciate it. Okay.
Everyone is dancing. What is this? Is this because it was a female? Why are you guys now like dancing? And I love her voice though. Okay, so sweetheart, I absolutely love your voice, and because I'm a woman, I think you should win. But who knows? Anyways, you guys, CNC, thank you very much for coming to the studio. I hope we're going to see more of you.
Yep, for real.
Don't be scarce.
Yeah.
We're here for you.
Okay.
All right, then, you guys.
Thank you.
Coming up again is the brilliant song by CNC, and it's called No Do.
Baby, love me like no one else. I go treat you like a pet. No do me wayo, I no do ojoro. Every night and day, we go to Samankwe. Baby, love me like no one else. I go treat you like a pet. No do me wayo, I no do ojoro. Every night and day, baby, we go to Samankwe. Say, no do.
Okay, you guys, got something cool for you. CNC actually is going to do a freestyle. So let's take this down. Go ahead.
Okay. Baby, love me like no one else. I go treat you like a pet. No do me wayo, I no do ojoro. Every night and day, baby, we go to Samankwe. Baby, love me like no one else. I will treat you like a pet. No do me wayo, I no do ojoro. Every night and day, say baby, we go to Samankwe. Thank you.
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Okay. Can you give us your social media handles so people can link up with you immediately?
Yeah. Follow me up on Facebook at Chisom